Hello everyone and happy Chuseok! So if you're watching this video, that means that we did not have a Zoom class this week. So instead, you are going to watch this video and I hope that you really enjoy it. Today we are going to watch a TED Talk about art and creativity. Since many of you are probably home with your families and enjoying your time off, I hope that you watch this TED Talk and that it makes you feel inspired and that you find it very interesting. So let's begin. So let's talk about TED Talks. What is TED? I think many of you have probably watched a TED Talk before, but why do we watch TED Talks, and what is the company TED all about? The T in TED stands for technology. The E stands for entertainment, and the D stands for design. There are over 3,000 interesting videos that have Korean and English subtitles. You can find a video on almost anything that you are interested in. TED Talks are a really great study tool. And if Korean is not your native language, there are also plenty of talks in your native language as well. Most talks are available with dozens of subtitles. So if you haven't checked out the website, I highly recommend that you do that. So let's talk about what we're going to watch today. Today's video is about making art. Before we watch this TED Talk, think about these 5 questions. I'm going to ask them and I want you to think about your answer. So let's see what our questions are. Number 1, do you enjoy art? Just a simple question. Do you like art? And when we say art, this can mean many, many things, right? Anything that someone can make is art, right? So do you enjoy art? Number 2, do you enjoy making art? Do you enjoy making things? Just a simple yes or no. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Number 3 is, can you make art? So if you enjoy it and it is something that you do, can you make art and what do you make? Number 4 is an important question. Do you have enough time to make art? And if no, why not? Many of us are very busy, right? You guys are students, a lot of you have part-time jobs and other responsibilities. So do you have enough time to make art? Maybe art is something you really enjoy and love to do and make. Do you have time to do it? And the last question is, who are some of your favorite artists? And remember that art is many, many things, so think about that. Who are some of your favorite artists? Okay, now that we have talked about these questions and thought about art a little bit and your personal experiences and opinions about art, let's go to our TED video. So the TED Talk we're going to watch is in Korean. However, if Korean is not your native language, you can turn on subtitles. There are many subtitles on the video, including English subtitles. So be sure to check that out if you're having trouble understanding the TED Talk if Korean is not your native language. Okay guys, let's go ahead and watch the talk. It's very interesting and I hope you really like it, and I'll see you guys after the talk.